Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today I'm going to be trying to get you an exhaust clip of my 2014 Chevy Cruze Eco, which has the 1.4 liter and it is also the 6-speed manual. I'm trying to get you an exhaust clip because this has the ZZP Performance Stage 2 kit on it, which, if you're not familiar, is a cold air intake, bigger intercooler, and a full turbo back exhaust. So figured I'd try to get you guys a good clip of this exhaust so you have an idea of what it sounds like if you're interested in getting their Stage 2 kit or just their exhaust. And yeah, let's get to it. you guys enjoyed that quick little clip of the exhaust. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know any questions you have on this car or the Stage 2 kit. And also, give me a comment on anything else you'd like to see of this car or any of my cars. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.